Okay, hi everyone, to all our fans in Dubai, Team Wewunyise Omwagalwaawo, we are coming. So, wait till it's safe. Okay, katulabe kagata kave France. Katulabe kagata kave France. See that shoe? Mami aina chayagala omujjirayo. So we are Dubai, we are coming, and this trip is fully sponsored by omuntu waffe yafuuka mami waffe, our long time friend, our long time mami, our long time fan. Abamu kwaba basooka mu show ya Wewunyise Omwagalwaawo Tuyingidewo, Mami Flora Sekikwa sponsored this trip. Tugenda almost 30 people to Dubai to celebrate birthday. Woo! Hey! Kati fe ba planned kid, ba planned mami waffe gwe bayita Flora Sekikwa. Era bangi mumanya abeerawo California mu America. She has sponsored us to go and spend a few days in Dubai nga celebrating n'abalala. So tugenda baako ne surprises awo ze tukola, but otherwise we are on the way coming. I like my shoes. Kati abafalansa be bandizayininze bena bakubidde ne mbagamba nti kati ngendako Dubai ne baŋŋamba Shifa olina okwambala bwoti ne bwoti. So outfit zange, my shoe designed by my designers in Paris. Otherwise, you see the shoes. I love my shoes. Stand up straight. Hey guys. Hey. Thank you, my love, Hiba. Thank you. With the what? Cat. Which cat? Come and show it to me. The pussy cat. Thank you, my son. Mulagawa? Chisawe chi? Mugena kola yochi? Mugena kuzanya? What are you going to do at the airport? Ate kudranga ali bulala. What are you going to do at the airport? You're going to do what? You're going to do what? I'm going to enter the airplane. And then where am I going to? Where am I heading to? Dubai. Where am I going? Dubai. Where am I going to? Dubai. Dubai. Are you excited to escort me? Yes. Okay, I'm going to miss you. Are you going to miss me? Bane video tuli kwogera luzungu. Look for what to comb hair. So yes, kati Isaac yagamba nti amperekedde nnyo yabikoowa. Nagamba let the kids go. So wanje nkozi wampelekera ngandagawa France, Germany, yes. So you are wabira abadde ebyo. So now we go with the kids and one mnanga. It's like I have a school, so they are all here ready. High five. High five. Kudra high five mama. High five mama. Mami high five. How are you? Are you excited about this trip?
Wow, very much.
Trip and it's a gift. Because it's a gift.
Thank you, Aunt Flora,
for sponsoring us.
You are such an amazing person.
Hey.
I love you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I've had a lot good things about
you. Will see how much today Dubai.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So, mami ayogedde this trip emusanyusiza nnyo. Omuntu n'agamba Shifa leta n'abantu babalala b'oyagala naye n'akwata ababe n'agamba mpa list gy'oyagala mugende mumperekereko. So, ffe baani n'agamba ka celebrating temulimu ene single coin eyaffe kulya kwebaka kulambula tulinayo another traveler uyu yetegese dda agenda Bulaaya nga junior always on behind the camera za Wewunyise Omwagalwaawo. So Dubai tuli namwe timu yonna Fahima tochikola mama buleke oba bulabika bubi, it's fine.
Fahima
temubimwambaza mumuleke n'obuviiri bwe. Wama my baby come. Why are they stressing you, my love? Oh, this one dirty. Mama, you see her hair? Yes, wama bera bwotyo bonga wano mami. Checho, high five mami. Checho.
Mbohani tokyayagala.
Olina ki Destiny Tiko?
Mbohani tokyayagala.
Ebbina. Alinga ya Destiny Tiko. Mami hani ntoddeko. Yes.
Mumukazi nga yanyumye.
Ani mama wange.
Dayo bakwata kalaika wawa.
Afayima otubisa mami jantugende baveemwe. Muveeyo mbuno mami amodolinga okay. Mami mbo amodolinga model statue. The girl I love is a real model, It's a real model statue. Okay, bwetulabise akaviiri mbajjukiza Amos Baba. Kati kano yankoze kagenda Dubai. Akubuuza ensi gy'ogendamu weather eri etya musana bwe kabanga musana nga akuteekamu kakuula nti awakakulinga bw'oba ogenda mu winter ng'akateekamu akaleeta ebbugumu. Bamuyita Amos Baba ku UK Mall Kansanga. Mwabe bagamba mbu enviiri ento ziboola wali ewa Amos. Kati nze ndaba nange ashifa okusinziira ku bitamatama byo bino kino kye kijja okunyumira. Kati naawe n'ogendayo n'akutunuulira n'akudesigninga akaviiri. Nammwe abaafuna ebiwalaata Amos akumeza enviiri. Hey, wamma abamumanyi Amos mu komenti ngaawo wansi nga mugamba mazima kituufu Amos Baba ku UK Mall. Olituuka uno otunula waggulu olinnya amadaala awo omulundi gumu ebiri mpaka waggulu ng'oli wa Amos Baba. Alright, so mnabagambye that this trip is sponsored by Mami Flora from California mu America. Era mugenda mulabako ku airport right now jeni mugenda timu nene tugenda kufuna vibe. Yaga eshifa mujje mulye munywe muchakale munyumirwe. We on the way coming. Namwe abagala surprises e Dubai kulunzize nayo. Kyekira kye sinnabagamba nyongera bajjukiza. Otherwise njagaliza a nice stay bannange bonna ba delegates ba East African Entrepreneurs Association Hope Shifa Mwalinga ambassador wa tourism bannange mbagaliza a nice stay in Italy. I've missed you so much by now to andibade tuli Italy with you but I had this era nga njagala celebrating kino ne mami wange naye mbagaliza bisinga EAE era nyongero bajjukiza mikwano come and travel with us musiona jagalo genda mjango zimbe travel history naffe mu East African Entrepreneurs Association. How dear God, okay my lovely sister, safe travel, thank you.
Mutuke bulungi
kare
munyumire, have fun to the fullest.
Amina
Osegeera tuwekekereza nakota ate munange nedda have fun to the fullest.
All right.
Kujana ntfayo mencha
mugenda kujja ezo galubindi enkadde sizitwala Bulaaya my son.
Zirete ndoza namwaze nino baziri beta
Mami ezirwa
kale
mbo mami aide ziri beta Isaac angase akusekeredde nnyo Junior twampadde waya yange ya iPhone. How I can't move without
Najigirayo kusamba.
Mami. Kale. Junior, onajjukira tujigirayo ku airport.
Kesi jogenda nayo.
So I love you guys. Banange bafani bafe. Banange mbagala nnyo. Banange mbagala ebisusse ebimalayo.
Mbagala ebyansoberana.
Shivani atuddeyo.
Nateeka muno tipi y'abaana.
Mbagala mukwano. Biri byennyini ebyalagirwa.
Bagulewo.
Otherwise, and I always keep in my prayers. I always, yeah. Ban. Yampereza akamu ensambu n'ekinaana mu esatu nange esatu gijjayo.
Yaziweereza mu bits.
Yeah. So.
Agulawo yatuddeko.
Abagala ordering some stuff with me, laptop, phones, gomeses, mubimanyi yentera okudiringira makeup omulungi ali on point. You always ask about my lipstick, Avavlaya, Sephora and Mark. You can.
Yes, senga kugenda okwambaza. I don't think maybe the name, but
I will be charged. Mukava. Assalamu alaikum.
Sit down, baby. Sit.
Bye bye.
Wow.
I'm Chala wa Junior.
Bye bye. Good luck.
Wow.
Nenga
Wish us a
muyindi.
safe time.
Shivan. Shivan ino ndi mukubye mu camera. Bye my son. Yes, be nice boy. Bye. Okay. Dear God. Amakatonda waffe omulungi. Olugendo lwaffe lwetugendako tuluteeka mu mikono gyo. Bonna abagenda tuvuga ku nnyonyi tubassa mu mikono gyo Mukama Katonda. Junior, memory card you have kamera kuli kumpi. Yeah. Banange, you're going to enjoy these trips tugenda lambula nammwe. Uchano yawe Wewunyise Omwagalwaawo kwokka. Ko mugendo biraba emikolo gye tugendako ebifo bye tugendako gwayagala okulambula Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Marina yonna. Come with us. Nenga Mukama Katonda tumukwasa byonna bye tugenda okolayo abantu be tugenda meetinga bye tugenda okolayo the places we are going to visit the people we are moving with bagambye we are like 30 people bonna fully sponsored by Mami Flora from California. So bonna Mukama be tugenda otambula nabo kunye bonna tubakwasa please lead the way. Tukimanyi Mukama bogamba kino kibe era kiba tukomewo bulungi ate ne betulese wano tubasange bulungi e Uganda nabo batukuumire oba twagalire Mukama abalumu obawonye abanakuwavu obasanyuse. We love you all. Mufena tugambe nti amina. Mami ku mafuta then tukyuse naawo mani.
Strictly bina kuba bya kakati kati.
Ya musajja yakushoye premier linge leero. Ina premier linga leero oli alinze bamuwe ebibulamu.